How to use a hearing aid drying jar. Open the battery door on the hearing aid and remove the battery. Wipe down the hearing aid with a soft, dry cloth. Open the jar and place the hearing aid on the screen side of the capsule with the battery removed and battery door open. Close the lid and leave hearing aids in the container for several hours. Remove hearing aids, replace battery, and inspect your drying unit. Bead status. The yellow or orange beads indicate that the drying agent is active. When your beads turn green, it is time to reactivate them. Reactivate beads. To activate the drying agent in beads, use a microwave or oven. Microwave screen side up for 30 seconds on high. Cool for 20 minutes. Never place your hearing aid in the microwave. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake capsule screen side up in an oven-safe dish for 1 hour or until beads turn yellow. Cool for 20 minutes. Never place your hearing aid in the oven. Thank you. For more support, schedule an appointment with your hearing aid specialist.